some of these trade-offs that we're exploring, or the decisions around sustainability, some of them must bite. What's been the most difficult for Bank of America to balance?
Well, I think, we believe in profits and purpose, and that's called the genius of the and not the tyranny of the or, which is profits or purpose, and you drive yourself crazy trying to do one or the other. So we believe you can do both. And so do we need to make trade-offs in terms of what we invest in tomorrow versus what we invest in the next day? You do. But if you think about it, if those trade-offs are one in derogation to the other, then you've got a problem.
So Lee, where has this been particularly relevant to Bank of America?
Certainly, since the financial crisis, the regulatory bodies have become much more important. In that way, risk management has also become much more important. So you see things like leverage loans largely leaving the banking industry. You see the industry trying to develop standards on climate change. You see the big banks actually developing tools for the rest of the industry to use on cybersecurity.
And Rosanna, moving away from profit versus purpose, in a world of scarce capital, how do you encourage companies to think about purpose versus purpose? So in a world of scarce resources, for example, how do you think CEOs should think about climate tech versus social development housing?
I prefer a bank like that one, like Bank of America, that is able to say, well, we can keep on giving capital because we need to move investment slowly out, for example, of coal or of oil, but we still need to have the heating on during the winter. You cannot let down people, and at the same time, push this company to try to move their capital allocation maybe to other renewable source.